Hi, it's another beautiful day in Coto de Caza, Orange County, California. This is February 13th. Beautiful sky, a couple clouds. Here's our golf course starter. And here we have a new plant. These are New Guinea Impatiens. It's a hybrid called Impatiens hawkeri, also called Sun Impatiens. They come from Papua New Guinea and Solomon Islands. There's lots of cultivars and hybrids of these plants, but these New Guinea Impatiens, they're a lot more sturdy and taller than your standard Impatiens, but they do have fewer flowers. The flowers they have are a little bit bigger. And they also are a lot more sun tolerant. These guys, they grow about 1 to 2 feet tall, 30-inch spread. They're very showy, and they'll flower non-stop if you take care of them properly. Very low maintenance. They go great in planter beds, hanging baskets, containers, and shaded areas around trees. These guys are shaded here from the hot noon sun, but we get this great afternoon sun, which is what they really like. And the stems here, all right, they'll get real fleshy, herbaceous. They get very tall, and they will get leggy and worn out and bony, and especially in higher temperatures. If that happens, well, you can simply snip off the bony part. It'll get a lot more full underneath, and also end up giving you more healthy flowers and a healthier plant. And they do prefer the shade, and you will get more flowers if you have morning sun and afternoon shade. But they do need some sun, obviously. And the leaves here, check out the leaves. They're bright green. They got tinges of brown. They're thick, pulling off. They're lance-shaped, little elliptical. You got a pointed tip here on the end. They got little serrations, okay, or little hairs along the margin. And they're opposite on the stem here. Okay, they're like they come out, and they got little whorls that you see of these pretty little leaves. And the flowers, well, they come in pink, orange, purple, red, and white. And there's solitary flowers on the top of the stems, little elongated pedicels attached to a peduncle. All right. And what else about these guys here? Well, they do self-clean. So after the flowers fall off, well, they'll just kind of self-clean, so you don't have to clean up this mess or pick off the flowers. And the fruits, get a fruit here. They come out. These guys don't have any fruits, but there'll be little explosive capsules. They kind of turn suddenly inward. They are ribbed with a rubbery texture. Anyway, wow, this little thing hanging down on these flowers here, right there, that's filled with lots of tasty sap. Okay, and little birds love that, like the little hummingbirds. It's called a spur on this little flower there. Looks like a little spur hanging down. So to care for this plant, they don't like temperatures below 60 degrees, and they'll probably die if it hits 32 degrees. They do need consistent watering, but not too much. And you only water them on dry days when it gets over 80 or 90 degrees, or just keep a lot of moisture in the soil. Like here, super moisturous and wet, they'll do fine. You'd also add coffee grounds to the plant. It's like a cup a week. They love coffee grounds. And they like to be moist, but not wet. And they'll start to look wilted if the temperatures get too hot and you don't get enough water. Let's sort of look at all these guys here lined up. They're all next to our little cyclamens here. Wow. So we got them up and down this entire planter bed. See some of these guys here, they lost their flowers, but they'll come back. And we just planted these, so they're a little thin right now. And hopefully, those get real bushy and connected. And especially, like I said, if you cut down these longer leggy stems, it'll bush out, get a lot more healthy looking. These are cool looking leaves though, with the copper, green, strong vein, the bottom, a little purple color. We have some more over here, I'll show you. In the afternoon sun, that they really like. And these beautiful array of pink flowers. There's some good ones here. Look at that. Wow. That's really pretty. Okay. So new New Guinea Impatiens. Impatiens hawkeri down in Coto de Caza. So thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, share, all the rest. And I'll bring you a lot more trees and plants and flowers and birds and wildlife down in Coto de Caza. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.